Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this smart screen for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because it has voice control and touch screen, which I think that is going to be really helpful. Okay, when we open the box, we find out that it's protected with this kind of black foam, and the main unit comes in this bag. Okay, let's take it out. As you can see, this is the proper main unit. It comes with the installation steps with a QR code that you can open on YouTube, and it has this camera on the back side, which I think that is going to be really helpful. Okay, we also get this mounting base. Depending on which base we're going to use, we can change it, and I think that it's really nice. We can take this side, and as you can see, it has a really nice size. Okay, this side we have an extendable arm that we can set in our car. As I've said, we can glue it on. We can put it with this kind of caps, like a suction cup. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. And we can fold it, extend it if we need it, any adjustments. We also have the rear view camera, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, with a really long cable, so we can wire it from the back side upon the main console that we're gonna be controlling. Okay, as you can see, you just place it in the space that you want, and I think that it's gonna be really useful. We have this cable that is going to be on the main console, so we can charge up the main unit, which I think that it's also really helpful. And all the pieces to use with the installation, another double-sided tape, a USB, a auxiliary cable to place it on, and some clicks to make sure that the cable is secured. Okay, and we have the manuals, okay, which I think that is going to be really nice. All the information that we need and everything. Okay, so let's start installing it upon our car and let's see how it works. Okay, come on. So I decided to glue it on upon my dashboard, and I think that it looks amazing. It has a really nice size, and it has a double-sided view with the cameras, so we can see both stuff at the same time, the front view camera and the rear view camera. And another function that I think that it's great is that when we place our car in reverse gear, the lines marks showing us if something is really close upon our car, which I think that it's great. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed, and I think that it's great. That way you can connect it to CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can have all your stuff wirelessly connected with your cell phone, which I think that it's nice. You don't need to connect it to your cell phone with Bluetooth, which I think that it's really great. Overall, I think that it's really nice, really helpful. You can set the route, you can set music, you can have it with voice control, and it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.